Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to contact Wix support. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top left corner, we have my site where you can check out all of our websites. We have the setup, home, we have the settings, in the bottom left corner, the design site, and the dashboard where we are at the very moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact Wix support. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have a couple of options. We have my site, we have explore, hire a professional, and we have help. You just need to go and click on the help option and wait for it to load. Here, as you can see, how can we help you? We're most helpful when you ask detailed questions. You can ask any of your questions here. We have the recommended articles where you can, if you have your problem here, you can go and click on it there, where you have the solutions. Browse all help topics, explore more resources, and hire a professional. And if you have a question there to help, or you can go and click on contact us and then ask them there in the support. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Until then, bye guys.